Absorption of digested products. End products of digestion, when they go into blood or lymph through small intestine, then this process is known as absorption. Absorption occurs through passive, active transport mechanism or facilitated transport mechanism. Monosaccharides and simple substances with certain amino acids and certain ions like chloride ions, they are absorbed by simple diffusion method, whereas certain complex substances like fructose or certain amino acids, they need a carrier ion like sodium ion, and this type of absorption is known as or is occurring through facilitated transport mechanism. Water is absorbed across osmotic gradient, and active transport always occurs against concentration gradient, and thus it requires energy in the form of ATP to occur. Many nutrients in the body and majority of nutrients in the body is absorbed by active transport only. Fat is insoluble, hence it first gets converted into micelles and then into chylomicrons, and then it is absorbed as chylomicrons. In whole of the alimentary canal, maximum absorption is seen through small intestine. You can see in the diagram it has been summarized which part of alimentary canal is absorbing which nutrient and with how much quantity is being absorbed. You can see it in the table. Disorders of digestive system. Jaundice. Jaundice is deposition of bile pigment which leads to yellowing of nails, skin, eyelids, etc. Vomiting. Vomiting is movement of food through the mouth, that is, there is reflex mechanism. This happens due to the trigger of vomiting center in medulla. It is usually accompanied by the feeling of nausea which turns into vomiting sensation and then vomiting occur. Next is constipation. Constipation is irregular movement of bowel in which bowel is retained in rectum and rectum is full. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is irregular uneven movement also along with excess of liquidification of fecal matter. It also is responsible for loss of certain important electrolytes from the body. Indigestion. Indigestion is the process in or the disorder in which food is not completely digested, hence it gives the feeling of being full. Indigestion can occur due to stress, anxiety, spicy food, overeating or improper functioning of certain enzymes or hormones. So this is human digestive system or digestion and absorption.